In front of me is HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to turn on and off the touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear, currently they are deactivated, you cannot hear nothing. Actually, you can hear nothing. And if you would like to change it, if you would like to hear some clicks while you are doing anything on your device, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here you should pick more settings. And now, as you can see, you've got the screen touch sounds up here, and now they are active, so let us hear. As you can see, it is working properly. So you've just activated touch sounds on your device. You have some super clicks to use, and that would be all. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.